This 5-minute solution will show you how to stop Google search history showing on other devices issue. To solve this issue, you can disable sign into your Google account from other devices and you can clear your all search histories. So first of all, open your Chrome browser and click on this three dot. Click on settings and click on sync and Google services. And here you will get this allow Chrome sign in option. So disable this option. Then click on the search box and type here search histories and click on clear browsing data. And here select all time and click on clear data. And that's how we can fix this problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.